Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video. So today we're gonna paint Mickey Mouse. This video is actually the second video because the first one whereby I was sketching is already out. I uploaded it on Wednesday. So yeah, go check it out. But it's okay, I'll link it in my description box down below. Do not worry. So now we're just starting with the hair. I just like to start with the face before I can go down. I start up and go down. So yeah, we're starting with the hair. Remember, we painting and then give it a space and then we cure for 60 seconds before we can continue. As you can see here, I painted the hair. Now I'm going to the eyes. I'm painting those black thing in the eyes. What do you call it? I forgot. Yeah, you're painting those black thing in the eyes, the nose, and then the outfit. And then we cure for 60 seconds before we can move on, because it's gonna make your polish a mess if you don't cure. So watch this video from start to finish, and if you have any question, respond, anything, just comment down below and then we'll interact in the comment section. Like I said, you cure your polish before you can move on. Now this one, it's already cured. Now I'm applying another set of the polish, and when I'm done, I'm gonna cure it before I can move on. Now we're painting the face, and take note, there's no polishes that is wet here. Everything is dry. I cured all the polishes, so now I'm doing the face. I'm just coloring the face, and I'm gonna do the t-shirt, and then we're gonna do the line work. So take note, we added one video during the week whereby we're gonna upload. We started uploading, actually we uploaded this week on a Wednesday, so even next week is gonna be Wednesday and Sunday. The uploading time for me is gonna be Wednesday 12 p.m. and Sunday 10 a.m. every Sunday 10 a.m. and every Wednesday 12 p.m. And this gel liner I got from Planet Nails, and the liner brush that I'm using I got from Planet Nails as well, and the polishes are from Blingles. And now we are done with the line work. We're gonna cure and apply the top coat, and look at that, like I love it. Now we just painting the other part of the design, because the design or the drawing just went all the way to the other nail. I don't know if we can use the word overlapped to the other side. So yeah, we just painting that side whereby is holding a pencil. We just finishing with the line work, and then when we done here, we cure and top coat it, and then we're gonna do the last nail. I decided to cut out or to edit out the painting part, because you've seen a lot of painting in this video already. So I'm just doing the line work, and then we're gonna cure and top coat and cure again for 60 seconds, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Don't forget to hit that subscriber button and the like button that is looking like this, and we'll see you again on the next video. Bye bye.